от промоутера, соперника Александра Поверкина, Бермейна Стиверна, Дона Кинга. Мы его сейчас заслужим.
Мы любим Россию.
What he just said. Hello, hello, we love Russia, we love Russia, we love Russia. Mr. Rybinski, thank you on behalf of Don King Productions, who is busy with the WBC convention. He will join us as soon as he can. We love Russia. Bermane Stiverne and Povetkin are going to fight, an incredible fight. I've known Povetkin. Larry Donald sends his love to Sasha. He says hello, Povetkin, from Larry Donald, but this is Stiverne's time. Stiverne's going to win. Don King Productions wants to know that he loves Russia. He loves the Russian people. He loves the President Putin. We love Russia. This is going to be a great fight. It's going to be a great night. Stiverne, you are the champ. Povetkin, you can fight, but you have to face Stiverne. This is going to be a great, great, great night of boxing. Don King Productions says, long live Russia! Champ, we love Russia. We thank you so much for your hospitality. Stiverne, let them know, baby, you're ready. You're ready, you're ready. Povetkin, you are a great champion. Rybinski, we love you, we thank you. But Don King wants you to know that it is Stiverne. It is Stiverne who will be WBC heavyweight champion of the world.
В традиционном стиле ничего нового, но при этом забавно, да? Спасибо огромное, скажем, Дону Кингу. Жаль, что не приехал. На этом, пожалуй, наша пресс-конференция окончена. Еще раз напомню, 17 декабря.